Today, I have such a tasty recipe for biryani. It looks delicious. One cup yogurt. 1/4 cup biryani masala. 1 plus 1/2 tablespoon chicken powder. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon ginger powder. 1 tablespoon onion powder. 1/2 tablespoon red chili flakes. 1 tablespoon salt. 2 tablespoon chopped green chili. 1 plus 1/2 kg chicken. Mix it well. Marinated for 25 minutes. 1 cup oil. Bay leaf. Saba gram masala. 1 teaspoon cumin. Cooked for 2 minutes. 1/2 kilogram onion. Cooked at medium flame until the onion changed its color. Adding 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. One cup tomato paste. Marinated chicken. Adding potato. Cooked for 5 to 6 minutes at medium flame. 1 cup inlee water. One tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon black pepper. Cooked until chicken tender. Oiling the pot. 1 kilogram rice 90% boiled. Food color. Ready chicken. Green chili. Tomato slice. Leave it at low flame for 20 minutes. Spicy and tasty biryani is ready. Serve with salad what you want. If you like it, then subscribe to my channel for further recipes.